Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Model Garage's videos, and I'd just like to do an unboxing of a 1/16 scale Mercedes 300 SL. Alright, give me a second to open this and we'll see what's in the box. So first we have the directions. Nice book form right here. And let's see how it goes. Okay. So we start with the engine. More engine stuff. And then we put it into the two-piece frame. We got the running gear and frame. Okay, then we got the decals right here. Yeah, looks like a lot of steps. Alright, let's look at the parts. Okay, so this tree, we have exhaust, wheel backs, radiator, gas tank, spare, looks like, and a battery, and some pedals, looks like. And on this one, we have some door panels, seats, dash, interior. Then we have a trunk floor, looks like. We have a interior there. And I got my faithful assistant here. Let's see those eyes. Come on. My faithful little assistant here, Licky. Alright, Licky, what we got here? What we got, buddy? Okay. So we got the body for the Mercedes. Big 1/16 scale body. Okay. Now we got the next sheet right here. Got wheel wells, hood, dash, hood, trunk, and doors. Okay, and got four big rubber tires here. Very good tread on those. We got the glass unit right here. Windshield, rear window, lights, and side windows. And we got exhaust and more engine parts right here. We got the chrome tree, so we'll start right here. And bumpers, door handles, trim, more chrome, another bumper, grill, dash insert, more chrome right here, shocks and stuff. You got hubcaps, wheels, and rims. Okay. Got the transmission right here. This is a previously owned kit that I swapped at my local hobby shop. So, and you got the engine block right here. Very cool. Yeah. And we got a, looks like a engine piece. Now we got a frame, a tubular frame and more frame pieces, and the rear end. Alright guys, well, that is the Mercedes 300 SL by Minicraft model kits in 1/16 scale. I suggest if you do find this one, either online or at your local hobby shop, I would suggest you pick it up and put in your collection and build it and hopefully we can see some build-ups on this. Alright, thanks for watching Doug's Model Garages videos. And thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing to me, and thank you for sticking with me. And I hope to see y'all at the Acme Southern Nationals show in October in Georgia. Alright, bye.